Well, you turned on me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot and I melted. I fell right to the crack. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving my bestest. But nothing gonna stop me but my intervention. I reckon you get my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our for God's second right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure that we need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. So come over closer, dear, and I will live in your ear. I've been standing way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror, leaning over backward just to see it clearer. But my breath fell off the glass, so I do a face and I laugh. But I guess what I mean saying is that ain't no better reason. Really, real severity just going through season. What we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plan and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find God yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate. I can't share it with our faith. I'm yours. I'm yours. Yours. I'm yours. Believe I'm yours. You believe that I'm yours.